Remember, don't let inflation snack on your savings. Stay savvy, folks. Why do your dollars feel like they're shrinking? It's not just your imagination, it's inflation. Inflation's like that sneaky coworker who always steals your lunch. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, prices for snacks are 394.20% higher in 2024 versus 1977. Yep, those $6.25 snacks from '77 would set you back $30.89 on today. Funny thing is, while the overall inflation rate was 3.55%, snack inflation was actually lower. So it's not just you, your money really is getting munched on. Being aware of inflation is crucial. It's like acknowledging the bull in the china shop. If you don't, it'll trample all over your finances. Stay smart, keep an eye on your spending, and plan ahead. Want more financial awakenings? Subscribe to my FinHub